Day 2 of Battle in Bama. We are excited, guys. We have all our team officially here. Some flew in, some came with us. The weather finally turned out. Yesterday was raining all day, but it's a beautiful day. It's nice and it's fresh. A lot of OBSs that are coming in, and we're just excited. It's our first time, as you guys, for some of y'all saw the first video, first time us coming out here. Great turnout. We got a lot of OBSs here. Beautiful, beautiful trucks and a mixture of everything. You got your top end builds, you got the guys that are just starting off, and for the guys that are probably starting off looking to get suspension, that's what we're here for, right? So we can answer any of your guys' questions y'all have. We're going to be interacting with a lot of customers that are asking questions on alignment, ball joint angles, you know, what would be the best kit for my wheel and tire setup. And that's what we're here for, guys, to have those conversations, help you guys out, make sure you guys make the right decision when you guys are doing these builds. So just stay tuned. We're going to try to provide as much content as we can for y'all, and just enjoy the show with us. All right, guys, so we have the winner of the 9906 kit with Mr. Nicholas.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations. It was your daughter that spun the wheel.
Yes, sir.
And you got yourself a free IHC 5.7 lowering kit. That thing retails for like 1,300 bucks.
Sweet.
So that's an awesome deal. Again, congratulations. This is going to be for YouTube, so if there's anything you'd like to say to the camera, just feel free to, you know.
Not much, just feel real lucky.
That's awesome. So again, guys, we're out here. We're giving out free lowering kits. Yesterday we gave an OBS. Today it's a 9906. And we'll see how the day plays out. Maybe we'll be in the spirit to give out more free stuff. So again, Nicholas, congratulations.
Yes, sir.
I hope
Thank
you guys enjoy that lowering kit, and you guys stay tuned. What's going on, everybody? Day 3 of Battle of Bama. We're walking the show today, just kind of seeing what's out here. It's awesome to interact with all these customers, get to know them a little bit of how the East Coast does this. You know, and we've been appreciating a lot of the trucks that's out here. One of them that I really like is this one that we got here. So we got a GMC. This is my style right here. It'd be nice if it was a little bit lower. And our IHC lowering control arms would definitely help out this truck. So for some of you guys that are looking at this and have a truck similar, so whenever you run these wheels right, they get real close to the fender. So with the IHC arms, like I mentioned on some of the other videos, as we narrow the track width, so we're going to sink in the wheel a little bit, give this guy a nice tire to fender clearance. So this guy's running it's a good size wheel. These are 22, so 265/30 on 22. So this truck right here, 3.5 all day, would look amazing. So looks like he's just running a 2-inch drop maybe in the front, some shackles in the back, but 3.5 on this truck would look amazing and also ride amazing. That's actually one of the main, features of IHC kits. So we keep on walking, just see a little bit else what's out here. There's a, as you can see, there's a beautiful taco up ahead pulling out. I love the way that truck looked. I would agree. I think the IHC control arms would fit that particular truck much better. As he's turning now, I know the camera won't see it, but I mean, I'm looking at it, and that tire gets so close to that fender, right? So with the arms, just narrowing that track width would help it tremendously. This is a truck here that I think a lot of people can relate to too. So it's your typical, first truck, you get it. I think these wheels are notoriously known on these OBSs. The American Racing, great setup too. Yeah, so if you guys can see, same thing. If it had so you can see they cut this fender here to get more clearance. So with the IHC arms, you'd be able to narrow it. You don't have to cut it. When you start cutting, it kind of makes the fender a little flimsy. Just narrow that track width, do it once, do it right, and you guys are ready to go. So a lot of cool vehicles out here, guys. It's exciting to walk this and kind of see where we started, right? We did a lot of service, a lot of lowering kits back in the day with spindles and springs and cut springs. I've talked to a lot of people, not sure why they're cutting springs, but it's good to interact with them and just kind of present to them the IHC brand and how IHC can help them, get their alignments dialed in and get their vehicles riding right. So just stay tuned, guys. We'll keep walking the show you guys some cool builds. Stay tuned for that.
Hey guys, it's Sandro IHC. We're here at Battle of Bama, the OBS Nationals. Got a good friend of ours, name's Chad, brought this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful OBS. So I'm gonna pick his brain a little bit. How long have you had the truck, Chad?
Well, it's a long story. I mean, I originally purchased this truck in 2007.
2007.
Got off a guy in Mississippi. It was just a lowered truck, as you see it.
Yeah.
Within a year, I bagged it. I changed up the paint and made it flat black with some blue flames all the way down the side.
Oh, badass.
And then got to the point where I decided, hey, I want to sell it, move on. So I sold it to actually a friend of mine that's ever laying on the ground right now.
Wow, okay.
So he owned it for 4 years. He changed the paint himself. And then I got, hey, I want my truck back. So we worked out a deal. I had a vehicle he wanted. So in 2016, I got the truck back.
Wow.
Didn't have no motor in it. I put this motor in, the 6-liter. Got it on the road.
Okay. The 6-liter, nice.
And then it come around 2018, I decided, all right, well, I'm gonna change it up. Started out as, I'm just gonna change the collar.
Right.
Make it something more me again.
So what color did you go with after all?
This is Ocean Blue Metallic.
Ocean Blue Metallic.
Yeah, from PPG.
Wow. Man, it's beautiful.
So.
And you did all the work yourself, or you had all this done? Wow.
Yes, sir. This is all, the Line-X sprayed all this.
Yeah.
We sprayed the firewall. We sprayed the whole bottom of the cab.
I see that.
I built this thing to drive.
Heck yeah, man. That's what they're for, right? That's what we build them for. Yeah, man. It's beautiful, man. It's a beautiful color. The interior, I mean, it really sets it off with that color you got that you selected.
Yeah.
Wow.
That was all done by a shop in Kentucky, Auto Customs.
Wow.
I took everything to them. They wrapped it all, covered it for me, and I actually brought it all home and installed it myself.
You did it yourself?
Because I was in the process of a crunch trying to get this finished for a show.
Right.
So we got it done a day before, like a show up in Indiana for Camp and Drag, and took it out there. So
badass, man.
So I started to tear down in October of 2019, and in July of 2020, it was on the road.
There you go.
As you see it.
Wow.
And then I've just, over the past few years, I just made some small changes and just drove the wheels off of it.
There you go. That's what they're for, right?
Yeah.
That's awesome, man. Beautiful truck. This is, for some of you guys that are out there, this is obviously to the next extreme, right? Compared to what you guys know us from IHC, we do a lot of suspension work. So this is what we try to introduce you guys from our suspension work, our suspension components, and then you guys get to this level, right? So we appreciate it, Chad. Thank you so much. Beautiful truck, man. Thanks for letting us chit chat with you. Take some of your time, man.
Anytime.
So, yeah, for sure, man. We'll see you on the next show for sure, man.
All right.
Thanks, bud. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Have a good one.
So that's a wrap, guys. Day 3 of Battle of Bama is officially over. We had an amazing time here, guys. First time IHC suspension actually comes out to a trade show as an exhibitor, and we had an amazing time here. We talked to so many people. So much product knowledge was shared between us and customers, and just an amazing time, guys. I'm super excited to get back to work and start, a lot of these questions that were answered here in the show, just start answering them when you guys start calling us. So looking forward for next year. Hopefully bring a couple more trucks, a lot more displays, and just looking forward to that experience next year. Ines, I don't know what you got to say.
Well, everything was really mind-blowing. It's a lot of C10s, a lot of OBS. I mean, miles and miles of OBS. It's nothing like back home, that we've ever seen. The track is amazing. The weather, amazing as well. Yeah. So we definitely enjoy it, and can't wait to be back here next year.
All right, guys. So you guys stay tuned. We look forward, to this YouTube. Start bringing you guys a whole lot of content, a little bit behind the scenes, so you guys stay tuned for all that. See you guys on the next one.